I recently built my very first Vorathis set, so I could not resist trying a second one. This time, I chose the Dinosaur Museum. We have glue, tweezers, a screwdriver, a hammer. This is such a nice thing to have. A light kit. All of our pieces. Stickers, which I much prefer to having to cut out little tiny pieces of paper and glue them. Then here is our direction booklet. I thought that was cute on the back. Oh, wow. Great directions, everything in color. I am looking forward to building this. Let's test the lights. You will need 2 AAA batteries that you have to provide. There are shipping restrictions about battery items overseas. It's already working. These light strips put off a lot of light. Okay, and then you will see Grayson is here to help, as usual. Time to get started. Forgot to show the wood pieces. Here is our dinosaur. Have nice quality wood, and then here are the acrylic pieces. So I had great luck with these last time when I was doing my first Vorathis set. You just have to be more careful with the acrylic. Okay, these look nicely printed. Okay, now let's get started for real. The scrolls and books are complete. Now for the structure. Vorathis marks their directions with chapters. So I have now completed chapters 1 and 2. Okay, chapter 3, assembly complete. You will have to be very careful assembling this guy, but I think it's starting to look pretty good. Okay, chapter 4 complete. We have the staircases in place and 3 floor levels. Chapter 5 is finished. More dinosaurs, lots of dinosaurs. Take it slow if you build this because there are lots of tiny pieces that can get easily broken. I've had to glue a few. Welcome to the Dinosaur Museum. I think the lighting in here is pretty spectacular. Look at the way that scene in the back is all lit up. I really like that effect. Lots of books on shelves and artifacts. Little 3D sculptures and images hanging on the walls. I really like that effect of looking like you could step into that scene. It is a little bit wider of one, as you can tell. Here's my hand. So the standard is probably usually about that size, but this one's bigger than that. I love dinosaur themes, so I thought this was pretty fun.